Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Lauren again. Today we're going to be going over what is sensor dry. Most of your dryers nowadays, you're actually going to see usually a sensor dry option. And if we're looking on the unit itself, there's usually two different options that you have. Time dry, you see on the left, and then you're going to have sensor dry. There's usually some type of energy preferred terminology next to it. So really just getting into it, time dry, if I do 70 minutes, it's going to start at a high temperature and slowly decrease in temperature throughout the cycle. With sensor dry, it's actually going to detect the moisture in the drum. So what it's going to do is it's going to know if you have this setting on energy preferred or very dry or jeans. It's going to use that with a timer along with that moisture sensor. It's going to figure out when the clothes are done drying. You can actually see the sensor in most of these dryers. This one, we look in here, they have this little moisture sensor right in the back there. So it's just going to do that to measure the moisture in the tub. It's going to know to shut off the dryer a little bit earlier, so you're not, wasting energy. Because this is your big energy bill right here on the electricity on your dryer or gas on the dryer, depending on what type of fuel hookup that you have. But high efficiency units, especially if you have a washer that's spinning the way it's supposed to, if it's a high efficiency unit, it's spinning at 1200 RPMs, and your dryer with a sensor dry is really going to help detect the moisture in the clothes, shut off the heat when it needs to, so it's not wasting energy. But thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you next week.
Online or locally, save at ApplianceFactory.com. Click the link to learn more.